Go.
Okay, Kenzo. So this one, they just want us to rewrite the expression because you can't solve for two different variables. And just a quick example, if I had a plus b equals 5, you know, a could be 1, b could be 4, or it could be 4 and 1, 2.5, 2.5, right? So you can't really figure out what it is, all right? So we're just going to rewrite this expression here. So first thing I'm going to do, right? It's written like this, p squared minus 5pq minus 50q squared, right? So I just want to get the q in front of here so it can match this q over there, right? So I'm just going to switch these two right here, okay? That's it. So I'll just erase it real quick. No big deal. 5qp, right? Okay. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find out what two numbers product gives me negative 50 and their sum gives me negative 5. Can you figure out what it is? Take a second. Well, the answer is 10 and 5. Since we have a negative product, one of these numbers has to be negative. It's going to be the larger number since the sum is negative. So the 10 is going to be negative. All right? If it was a positive 5, the 5 would have been negative and the 10 would have been positive. All right? But moving on. So now that we have these two, that's pretty much it. This is pretty simple. So I'm going to write the following. P minus 10q and P plus 5q. That's it. And now I'm going to factor it really quick just so that you can see that this is the right thing. So we're going to do p times p. We get p squared. We're going to do p times 5q, right? So this is going to be plus 5pq. We're going to do negative 10 times p. We're going to get negative 10pq. Lastly, we're going to do negative 10q times 5q. And we're going to get negative 50q squared. All right? Now I just need to condense these middle terms right here. And I'm going to get p squared. 5pq minus 10pq is going to be minus 5pq. And this remains negative 50q squared. And this was our original equation. So this is going to be our answer right here.